Yes, let's start SketchUp 3D. SketchUp. So you can download SketchUp 3D. Try for example. Yeah, you can try. For example, I just started higher education. You can start any personal or something like that. For example, I just click here. Uh, so you will enter your email, and next you can uh, follow the steps. For example, you can follow the steps. And here this is, you will find that how to download this SketchUp only for 30 days. So you can download here. When you click here, maybe yes, you can download that SketchUp. I already downloaded this file, so you can download it. So when you will download, you can just install. For example, this setup online, and if you offline, you want to use the offline, so you will get option here. I could not see right now, but here is an option. Uh, Here it says that you can offline if you need offline. So I downloaded this for offline. So this space is more 458 MB, and for online internet, if you have internet, you can install this one 239 MB. So I installed like this, and then there is a Skelion plugin. You can just write here in the Google. Just write it here in the Google, and you will see that here you will write Skelion, and you can Skelion extension for SketchUp like that. So you can download Skelion, and when you click it here, for example here, when you click it here, it will be downloaded like that. So I already downloaded this Skelion. So you can, this you have to copy actually. This you will copy, and you will go on C drive, and here you will write SketchUp, not this one. Here, if you will write, for example, here program files, this one is also SketchUp, this SketchUp, here plugin. But no, this is not the option. You will not paste here. You will just write SketchUp here, for example, here, and just wait. So in this way, you will find the path for plugins in SketchUp 3D. There is a plugin folder. You will copy this alien whole file, copy, paste there, that plugin SketchUp. So this is not. You will see here the roaming. This roaming maybe in your laptop may be different, but it is this one SketchUp roaming. Application data, users, and here's. So I will just open the file location for this one. Yeah, this one. This location actually Lenovo, Plus, or roaming, and this SketchUp. This actually, here you can see SketchUp this plugin. So here you will just paste, because I already pasted this one, so you will paste like here. So when you will paste it, you will just close this, and when you will open this SketchUp, you will see the Skelion plugin. So in the start, when you open this, for example, this one simple. Okay. So here you will see that this plugin, you will not see this plugin, but when you will repeat that process which I already shown you, so you will see here this plugin will be available here, but not this icon, these icons, this line of icon will be available here. But before this, it will ask you that just accept Skelion extension. So you will just click that accept, and it will be shown here. Maybe position will different, so you can see them. So here you see, for example, you can see. Let's start. So, for example, you want to create a design. For example, I just put the rectangle here. This one is the rectangle, and there is a offset. For example, I want to create the offset here, and I will just put this offset like this one. For example, you can just change the position. This one, okay. So then you will just select this position and then click it here, and you will see this as universal tilt angle. You can change everything there. You can test. For example, test panel. I just for example 250 watt. For example, this one, and you will see the different length, width, and everything. You can also adjust the maximum number of panels. If you want to limit the maximum number of panels, you can adjust it here. For example, you can 10 to 15, for example, like that. Vertical gap, horizontal gap, you can adjust here. Landscape or portrait, what is this difference between stack components, you can adjust, and similarly like that. So you can continue, and it will place these panels here. So it is showing that you can place these panels. So the different for example, here meteorological data, you can load meteorology this data, so it will be loaded here, for example, and latitude, longitude, for example, you will get, and then for example optimum operation, update months, you can update months, and in this way you can try. So save array, load array, you can see if you have any data, you can load as well. So in this way, different options you can try. Here sunny area, for example, you see 2 hours selection at noon, or project different parameters you can enter, for example here radians, everything here, and this. Okay, and next what is this, and distance, height, how much height you want to, for example, like the height to different heights you can select here, and similarly shadow losses also. Okay, and next for example this design, and here is the Google location. You can also select the location, for example here, and you can grab it here, for example here. My browser is not supporting, maybe you can use different browser, and then you select this location and it will be location will be available here, for example this one. So in this way you can see this location like that. And similarly, mm, this one is for example this Cartesian place if you want to like this. So this azimuth and this is detail of the design you can also see. And this is your own panel if you want to uh, you have designed your own panel, and width length you can mention here, and every anything this one this and so you can twist line or which, so you can save your panel as well. You can save your panel, and next time uh, you can use that panel as well. So here for example if I want to generate the report shadow, here is also the option of shadow shading. For example shading, you can, for example if I click this one, so maybe it is not, you can try by yourself. For example like this, you can select this, so you can see the shadow if it shows the shadow. So next you can also generate the report from them. Do you want to shading glasses? Yes, if you will draw the shading glasses you will continue, so it will generate the shading glasses. For example this is the basic report of the shading like that, and you can print it and you can save it for example here, and you can also paste this in next when you come next lab. So you can in the next lab you can, for example 9 reports I have just generated and this one is 10th, so you can also generate this report and you can paste in the in your copy like that. So this is the shadow and different parameters. You can read this shading loss is 0.8% very less. So you can see different parameters per month, January, February, like that. So this one, and next is for example uh, report. No shadow loss is no. Let's continue like that. Can also generate in this way. So this like this one without shadow analysis. You can also generate report and you can save as report level. So in this way you can just study this SketchUp very easy, I think so. So you can just paste this graph and this graph in your report, and this is the basic introduction, and you can just do this task and paste in the this is the task for the before the next lab, and you can prepare your report by using this SketchUp 3D. Okay, I think so it's enough, and you can use different functions and you can try different functions, and you can every function, what's the function of this, you can try one by one and just you can